Welcome to all of the students. How are you all? I am well to by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss about the chapter 4, Exponents and Logarithm. Do you know what is exponents? Exponents. For example, x into x into x into x, x to the power 4. A into A equal A cube. Here 4 times of x. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times of x. Here A 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times of A. Here 4. 4 is called exponent. Here 3. Exponent. Here x is base and a is base. Similarly, next example, a into a into a into a into a n times a equal a to the power n. Here n is called exponents and a is called base. Now definition of exponents: if a is any real number and n is positive integer. N is positive integer. Successive multiplication. Successive multiplication of n. N as a to the power n. Here n is called exponent or index or power. What is called exponents? Here a into a into a into a dot dot a n times of a equal a to the power n. If a is any real number and n is positive integer, successive multiplication of n as a to the power n. Here n is called exponents or index. Do you understand? This is definition of exponents. Next, index law. Index laws. Index laws. Formula 1. A to the power n into a to the power n equal a to the power n plus n. In multiplication, when base is same, power will be added. Next, number 2. A to the power n divided a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. In division, when base is same, power will be subtracted. Number 3. AB to the power n, power of multiplication or power of product. A to the power n, b to the power n. power of product. Number 4, a by b to the power n, power of quotient. A to the power n divided b to the power n. Number 5, power of power. A to the power m, power of n, a to the power mn. This is a formula of index or index law. It is called index law. Next, zero index. Zero and negative indices. Zero and negative indices. Number 1, a to the power 0 equal 1, a not equal 0. Number 2, a inverse n, 1 by a to the power n, 1 by a to the power n. Zero and negative indices. Here a not equal 0 and n belongs to capital N. Another formula, a inverse 1, 1 by a. Similarly, b inverse 1, 1 by b. This is a formula of exponents, and it is also called index law. So this formula is most important in this chapter. If you follow the formula, and you will resolve any math easily. Next, we solve the problem. Next exercise. Exercise 4.1. Number 1, 7 cube 7 to the power 7 inverse 3 divided by 3 inverse 4. Formula, first formula, a to the power m divided a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Multiplication formula. In multiplication, when base same, power will be added. Similarly, here 7 base same, power will be added. 7, 3 plus minus 3. Similarly, here power 1, 3, 1 plus minus 4. Next, 7, 3 minus 3. 7, 1 minus 4. Next, 7, 3 minus 3 here 0, and 1 minus 4, sorry, here 3 to the power minus 3 inverse 3. 7 to the power 0 equal 1. 3 inverse 1 by 3 cube. This is formula 0 index, a to the power 0, 1. This is formula 0 index, and a inverse 1, 1 by a. A inverse 3, 1 by a cube. This is formula 1 into 3 to the power 3. reciprocal. Equals 27. These are record result. This is number one. This is also result. Next, another math. Follow it. Okay. Next. Next question C. 2 inverse 1 plus 5 inverse 1 power of inverse 1. Inverse formula. A inverse 1 means 1 by A. So 2 inverse 1 1 by 2. 5 inverse 1 1 by 5. That's 1. Here LCM 5 to the 10. 5 plus 2 inverse 1. Next 5 to 7 by 10 inverse 1. So inverse 1 1 by 7 by 10 equal 10 by 7. These are important result. Another example. Very quick. Write down very quick. Okay. Next. Next, prove that 12th number a to the power p plus q divided by a to the power 2r, a to the power q plus r, a to the power 2p, a to the power r plus p, a to the power 2q equals to 1. Prove. Left side equal right side. We have to prove. Now, left hand side. Where we have to prove 1 here, left hand side. Left hand side. Number 12. A to the power p plus q minus 2r. In division, when base is same, power will be subtracted. P plus q minus 2r. Similarly, a q plus r minus 2p. Similarly, a r plus p minus 2q. In multiplication, when base same, here base a, base is same, power will be added. A to the power p plus q minus 2r plus q plus r minus 2p plus r plus p minus 2q. Now, we have to add it. P and p, 2p plus minus 2p, plus 2p minus 2p kata, plus q plus 2q minus 2q, r plus r, 2r minus 2r, a to the power 0. This is index formula. A to the power 0 means 1 equal right hand side.